And now, introducing to you the different characters that will teach you how to style your hair. Meet Diana.
My hobbies include eating ice cream or anything sweet.
Introducing Riley.
Whoa, let's chill out, you guys.
Next up, we have
You can just call me Tita.
your Tita with the really big bag. Meet Genevieve.
It's Genevieve with a G, but you can call me Jen. Hey!
A lifestyle blogger who has so much money, you don't understand how that's possible. And introducing your everyday average girl next door.
What's up? It's Sarisupsofficial, and you're watching my YouTube channel. So about the intro of this video, I wanted to make this video as different and engaging as possible. And what's more engaging than meeting 5 different characters in less than 10 minutes? The answer? Nothing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair in 5 different ways depending on your personality or your feel for that day. Because I know that your style and your character can honestly be anywhere depending on how you're feeling that day. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this hairstyle, which is kind of just like a Heatless Beach Waves hairstyle for short hair and bangs. And I was able to explain how to do this in under 15 seconds on TikTok, so I can explain this to you in under 30 seconds on YouTube. So you're going to start with wet hair, and after you have wet hair, you're going to grab a t-shirt and you're going to start scrunching your hair on both sides. Afterwards, when it's damp, you're going to apply leave-in conditioner or holding gel. I use this Manu curling holding gel that I found on Shopee. You're going to take your curling gel, put it on your hands, rub it around, and start scrunching it into your hair. And you're pretty much done. So this is my go-to hairstyle every day. It's really easy and a lot more achievable and realistic than other people would have expected. But to learn more about different hairstyles, I'm gonna be passing you on to Diana. I hope you're having fun so far. I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Take 2 ponytails, preferably in the same color. But mine are not the same color. I'm just quirky like that, you know? Step 2. Split your hair into 2. Split your hair down the middle and take a section from the back and ponytail it. Step 3. Repeat step 2 by taking a section from the back, ponytailing it, and make sure it's pulled tight. I like to finish off my look by adding little butterfly clips on either side of my head because I think you can bring color everywhere. I think that they look a little bit like candy. That's it, those are the 3 simple steps, and to learn more about different hairstyles, I'm going to be passing you on to Riley. Hey. So before we begin, I would like everyone to take a deep breath with me, and a deep breath out. Now, I want to show you how I do my hair on a daily basis. So this is just a simple look, very relaxed. So first off, you're going to start with the hair you regularly wake up in. The next thing you're going to do is take a brush and brush through it. Make sure you get all the negative vibes out of there. Then you're going to take a bandana, or a scarf is also going to work. What you're going to do is put it on your head and make sure you take out little segments of hair from the front so that it frames your face. But remember, you have to split the hairs to the side so that you can really open up your eyes, you know. And to feel more at ease during the day without any worries, you can put little bobby pins to secure your bandana or your scarf in place. And now you can go about your day and stop and smell the flowers. And to teach you another hairstyle, I will be directing you to your favorite Tita. Hi, thanks for having me here today. So I'm just gonna make this super quick lang. I'm gonna be teaching you how to do your hair like this, you know, put it in a half ponytail. This is how everyone back in my day used to do their hair. First, you're gonna need, where's that? First, you're gonna need a pantali. It's a sturdy one, ha. Make sure na parang it's not the super barato lang so that when you're doing errand, it's not going to break, you know? So what you're going to do after is you're going to take this pantale and you're going to section your hair. Make sure that you're going to half ponytail only the top, and then after you section the top part of your hair and you tie it, you're going to brush out your bangs. But here's the super important part, ha. You make sure you remember this kasi after you brush out your bangs, you're going to want to push your bangs to the side. You have to make sure that your bangs are pushed to the side kasi everybody who's super famous, you know, has class, they have hair like this. Complete with shades. So retro, diba? It's so vintage talaga. You know, ay, sorry, that's my jet. Just joking, I'm just joking. You just follow your titas kasi, you know, we know what not ba doing. But I have to go na, ha? Bye-bye, bye! Hey, it's Jen, welcome back to my channel. So right now, I'm actually wearing my everyday makeup look. You can check that out on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for notifications. But today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my hair when I do my vlogs when we go out of town so that it looks like you're fresh from the beach. But to make it look more authentic and camera ready, you're going to be needing 2 ponytails, 2 bobby pins, and a hat. Before we begin, I think this is the perfect time to thank my sponsor. So shout out to SM Department Store for providing me with the ponytails and the bobby pins. So to begin, what we're going to do is we're going to take the ponytails and we're going to take 2 front sections from our hair, really thin sections, and then what we're going to do to each section is we're going to braid it. So we're going to braid it all the way down and then secure it at the bottom with a ponytail. We're going to do the same with the other side, braid it all the way down and secure it with a ponytail. The next thing that we're going to do is take our bobby pins and secure it in place on the back. So what you're going to do is take the braid, put it on the back of your head, and secure it with a bobby pin. You're going to do the same and repeat on the other side. And to finish off the look, you're going to take a hat and place it on your head. Easy, breezy, beautiful. And that's our simple hair tutorial for today. And always remember to live life to the fullest, travel, and treat yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making it and I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more similar content. And just some news, I am going to be posting every Tuesday at 4 p.m. and every Friday at 4 p.m. Be a YouTuber or whatever. Not that you care because I'm still pretty irrelevant, but you know, just in case. But yeah, see you every Tuesday and Friday at 4 p.m. Bye!